Using Afterpay with Walmart is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Afterpay in your laptop. And here you can see that there are 3 options on the upper side. First one is how it works, second is for retailers, and last is get the app button. If you want to access the app, then you can click on this button and download the app. Now you can scroll down and read about more how Afterpay works. But now you have to use Walmart. To do that, click on search bar and search here for Walmart. And now you can see that there are many cards are here. But the first one you can see that this is Walmart. So click on this one and it takes some time to open this. And make sure you have good internet connection, and here you can see that Walmart is open. And this is how you can access Walmart. And if you want to buy, then click on buy for yourself button, and if you want to buy for your friends, then click on send to friend button. I want to buy this, so I click on buy for yourself. Next you have to enter your first name, last name. After this you have to enter your email. And then confirm your email. Then click on confirm button. Next you can see the details, expiration date, and term and conditions for using Walmart. So in this way you can use Afterpay with Walmart.